Most people I know think that losing energy and getting saddled with chronic disease is just some kind of an inevitable consequence of getting older. And that might be true if you stick to the typical Western diet and never learn the most up-to-date science on disease prevention and longevity. But as we've seen in the Action Hour with Dr. Susan Pearce-Thompson, something really different is possible. When you know how to treat your body well, you can enjoy a better quality of life. When you give your body the right fuel, you can support a smarter immune system, you can reduce your risk of chronic disease and long-term suffering, and you can do more than just add years to your life. You can become more vibrant, more joyous, more alive, with fewer aches and pains and more pleasure and vitality. And that is why we created Whole Life Club. Because you said yes to this Action Hour, we want to help you take the next step. We want to help you on your journey away from a status quo of unhealthy convenience foods and hidden toxins and feeling tired and stressed towards a more thriving life where your body has the nourishment it needs so that you can truly say yes to all the opportunities that are available to you to be your precious, wild, creative self in the world. The cornerstones of Whole Life Club are wisdom and recipes and community. And you're going to get up-to-date, life-changing insights on food and health from world-class experts that you can trust. This is critical information you might otherwise miss. So every month we've got a theme and we host an event with an expert health revolutionary to help you keep learning. And so that you never lose momentum, every week you'll get an Action of the Week video, a simple action checklist, and more resources to help you keep making progress. Every week you'll also enjoy a batch of delicious, healthy, easy to prepare recipes. Plus you'll have access to our bank of over 1,000 whole food plant-based recipes to help make healthy eating second nature and delicious. You'll also have a space to ask all your health and cooking and nutrition questions to our team, which includes registered dietitians and certified health coaches. Community means you'll always have people there to celebrate your victories, to pull you back on track if you start to waver, and to help you achieve your goals so you keep feeling better every day. If you register before the timer on this page expires, you can get in for an incredible value at just $1 for your first 30 days. So for the next month, you can dive into everything, the entire library, the weekly action steps, and over 1,000 of our best healthy and mouthwatering recipes. And you can even pose your nutrition and health questions to our responsive team of health coaches and dietitians, and you can make new friends in the community. And of course, you can cancel after your 30 days are up, or if you decide to keep your membership, as most folks do, you'll be enrolled at a heavily discounted price of just $197 per year. By the way, that's about what you might spend for a cup of Starbucks coffee once a week. After your free trial, you'll be set up at an ongoing 60% discount, and your price will never go up as long as you keep your membership active, even if we raise prices in the future. And if you're not entirely thrilled, you're protected by our 60-day total money-back guarantee. Also, I want to say we donate to Trees for the Future with every membership purchase so they can plant another organic fruit or nut tree in a low-income community. So you can invest in your health, you can support the health of our planet, and you can support our mission of healthy, ethical, sustainable food for all at the same time. Our members regularly report impressing their doctors, reversing symptoms, increasing energy, losing weight, improving their immune systems, and feeling happier. You can see some of their moving stories right on this page. So if you've watched this far, I want to encourage you to take the next step and take advantage of this special limited time offer. All you've got to do is click the button on this page to join in right now for just $1. You never have to find your way alone again. Together, we can achieve so much. It's time to invest in your health. Whether you join Whole Life Club or not, please make your health a priority. And if you do want to join us, well, we can't wait to share this adventure with you. Let's do this.